guys, Sophia here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Mom.
Hello.
And this is actually the last video you'll see with Mom. Mom is leaving. Yeah, so Mom is leaving tomorrow, and I know a lot of you will be very sad, and I appreciate all of the comments and supportive comments you've made on the channel on the last, whatever, 8 videos I've had with Mom. So Mom wanted to make egg noodles, pasta. And where's the machine? Here. We found this at the thrift store for $8. I cleaned it up. I think it's been used once, perhaps. The brand is Thaili, T-H-A-I-L-I. I think this is from the 70s. I'm not sure. I don't even know if they still make them, but it's basically a pasta machine. So you use this part here to make the lasagna, or to flatten your dough to make it nice and thin. You use this to make fettuccine, and this one here is for spaghetti. I'm very intrigued. She's intrigued, and she wants to make egg noodles. So today I'm only gonna be a helper because Mom is the one making the egg noodle. So she's gonna tell us the recipe. Of course, I will translate for you. And wish us luck. We've never made pasta before. So let's start. Mom says you need 400 grams of flour. So we're gonna count 400 grams of flour. Mom prefers to sift the flour, so there we go. This is regular all-purpose flour. So 400 grams is the equivalent of 3 cups. You need 4 eggs, large eggs at room temperature. You're going to need olive oil, and olive oil is 2 tablespoons. A pinch of salt, and you're also going to need 4 tablespoons of warm water. So you need a fork. Mom's going to start by putting all the flour on a clean countertop. Let me remove the scale. Okay. Et après?
On va faire un puits.
Alright. Make a little well. Okay.
Alors il y a les œufs. On va faire les œufs, l'huile, l'eau.
Okay. Tu fais quoi là?
Je mélange en partant de l'extérieur vers l'intérieur. Je casse les jaunes. Parce que sinon ça va couler partout.
So we are back, and Mom says you gotta cut this into 4 portions. Looks nice and elastic.
Alors on va la couper en 4 portions et on va recouvrir les 3 autres qui restent. Tant que je mette un peu de...
Mets-toi tout ça, ok.
On va les recouvrir avec le cello frais.
Okay. Alright, so supposed to roll it. And then we're going to use the machine to make it even thinner.
Vas-y. Vas-y. Vas-y, vas-y, vas-y. Tourne, tourne, tourne.
Okay. Alright, so this is two or half of what we made so far. And you know you can put all sorts of flavor, right? Cut them in half. Okay, so this is all we have, and guess what? They're gonna go straight to the boiling water, and we're about to have fettuccine. Alright, so I have garlic and olive oil in here. So apparently you put them in there, they go all the way to the bottom, and once they go back up is when they cooked. So it's a little bit different than regular pasta as we know it. Do we have cheese, Tom?
Hein?
Parmesan, maybe.
Bon, je crois qu'il faudra les faire plus fines. Au laminoir. Qu'est-ce que t'en penses?
Yeah.
Ça me suffit, c'est pour moi pour goûter. Attends, j'ai...
Alright, so this is the first time we make
Elles sont un peu longues, hein?
real pasta. Real pasta. Fresh pasta.
Elles sont bonnes. Un peu épaisses.
Yeah, they're a bit too thick.
Manque
Ça manque
du
de sel. Hein?
On avait mis du sel?
Oui, oui, dans l'eau, oui.
Mais dans la pâte, on n'en avait pas mis. Si? Ça manque de sel, oui.
Fresh pasta.
Très bien.
It's a lot of work. C'est beaucoup de travail quand même. Hein?
Oui, mais là, tu sais ce que tu manges.
C'est vrai.
C'est ça le problème.
It's a lot of work, Mom, but Mom says
L'intérêt.
at least you know what you're eating.
Yeah.
Il n'y a pas de conservateur, il n'y a pas de quoi que ce soit. Bon, le laminoir, il faudra le faire plus fin.
Alright, so we're gonna make them thinner next time. Whew, that was good. Alors, conclusion.
Intéressant, seulement bon, c'était la première fois qu'on se servait de cette machine. Donc le laminoir, il faut le faire beaucoup plus fin parce que les pâtes étaient un peu épaisses. Mais sinon, elles étaient excellentes. Et c'est quelque chose qui est sympathique comme tout à faire.
Meilleur que les pâtes
Ah oui,
déshydratées?
ah oui, il n'y a aucun problème là.
Yeah, I agree. It's much better in terms of the sensation, and I think you eat less as a result. On en mange moins, je crois.
On en mange moins, elles sont plus nutritives parce que tu sais qu'il y a 4 œufs dedans, donc tu sais exactement ce qu'il y a dedans. Il n'y a pas de conservateur. Elles n'ont pas séché dans des séchoirs avec un gaz quelconque. Donc
Non, c'est vrai. Le petit peu que j'ai mangé, ça me suffit.
oui, ouais. Bon.
You eat much less when they're fresh like this because you know of the ingredients and stuff. I don't know what they put in the pasta.
Bon, là, elles étaient al dente, donc elles étaient très bien, pas de problème.
Yeah, it was nice. It's a lot of work, so you know if you can do the dough in the stand mixer or in the bread machine, if you have one. But otherwise, I think it's worth it. I really like it.
La pâte, on peut la faire au robot ou dans une machine à pain. On n'est pas obligé de la faire à la main, comme moi j'ai fait. Mais bon, c'est exactement la même chose. Après, le processus de la laisser en attente, de la couper en 4 portions, ça c'est immuable.
The only minus is the machine is hard to keep stable on my counter. I think it's better on the table because I don't have a lot of space on the counter, so you have to hold it. I gotta figure out something. Maybe do it somewhere else. But otherwise, that was a good experience, and I enjoyed it. It was really good. So, thumbs up from me. Okay, that was it. It's 5:45. In 15 minutes, I'm going upstairs to work out with my Patreon crew. I will see you in the next video. And this was the last time you get to see Mom for quite some time. She's not coming back until June or July. Something like that. We'll see what happens. Thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe right here in the corner. Hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video, cooking or otherwise. And you can find me on Facebook and Instagram at mygreatchallenge. Patreon, I just mentioned it right here. Patreon.com/mygreatchallenge. Don't forget to hype this video. Super thanks down below if you want to support this channel. And that would be it. Merci. On te voit quand tu reviens.
Oui, au mois de cet été.
Cet été. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.